Hello, I'm Neil, welcome back to the channel. I always get a bit scared of doing one of these, but I'm going to fit a protective screen tempered glass cover to my Osmo Pocket 3, my DJI Pocket 3. And I've got this, this pack of tempered glass protective screens on Amazon. This particular brand is Ulbter. I'll leave a link down in the description. There you go, Ulbter. You know, the biggest fear is I'm going to mess it up or not align it properly, or that I'll have a big bubble on here. So I'm just going to do it so you can follow along. I'm not going to fit a protector to the lens, which I did do with my Pocket 1. There's actually protective glass on there, and the wide-angled attachments and filters still seem to stick. Not as best as they probably could do if they weren't a tempered glass protector on there, but all of the products on Amazon say do not put a protector on if you want to put the wide-angled lens on or any of those ND filters. So wow, it looks really small. It looks smaller than the screen, but it's deceptive. That's exactly the correct size. I need a cloth. Is there a cloth in here? There isn't. They have these wipes that you seem to get in every brand of protective screen. I'll put the wet one on. I only unboxed this. I only bought it new this evening, so it hasn't had a chance to get filth on there. So this is probably overkill. I might need 2 of these dry wipes because I really haven't used this at all. I thought there'd be a microfiber cloth in here. There doesn't appear to be. Do get lots of spare screens though, so that's good. So I'll dry this. I need to really be super careful with not having any fibers, but also not leaving any moisture on here. And I do this in one of 2 ways. I either wing it and just hope to drop the glass into the right position. I might do that. Should I do that? I think I might do that this time. The other way is to attach it with these guide stickers. I think we are good to go. So I'm going to, it tells you where the back is. This is the sticky side. So I'm going to take this film off. And oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm going to actually just make it up. And you get to do this once. Yeah, this might not be a good idea. And the adhesive has just gone for it. I think I've done it. So the other way is you put the stickers on, and the stickers hold it in place, and then you peel the back off, and then when you drop it in, the stickers guide it into the correct place. But it was so much easier. You know, it takes a while for the thin layer of adhesive under the screen to spread. There's like a tiny, less than a millimeter gap there and no gap at the top. That is protected now. I might just have that until the next time I crack the screen. So that's a protective screen on the DJI Pocket 3. And just to show you that the screen sensitivity isn't changed, I'm going for a light touch, and it seems to be working. The sensitivity seems to be pretty much the same. Hey, there you go.